After gathering reviews from across the internet, this is what users are saying about the Hyashee Cleaner Kit for AirPods Pro 1, 2, and 3. If you own this product, please help others by sharing your experience in the comments below. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Hyashee Cleaner Kit stands out as a multifunction cleaning solution designed specifically for AirPods, but its versatility extends to other Bluetooth earphones, smartphones, and even cameras. The kit features a 3-in-1 design combining a flocking sponge, a soft brush, and a metal pen tip, all housed in a compact portable pen-shaped tool. This thoughtful design makes it easy to switch between cleaning tools with a simple push of the smooth up and down button, allowing users to target different areas of their devices efficiently. Users consistently praise the Hyashee Cleaner Kit for its effectiveness in removing dust, dirt, and debris from both AirPods and their cases. The flocking sponge is designed to reach into the nooks and crannies of the charging case, while the soft brush gently sweeps away dust from delicate surfaces. The metal pen tip, which many initially worry might scratch, is frequently described as safe and gentle, capable of dislodging stubborn grime without damaging sensitive components. This combination of tools enables a thorough cleaning process that not only restores the appearance of earbuds, but also, according to multiple reviewers, significantly improves sound quality by clearing blocked speaker grills and microphone ports. One of the most appreciated aspects of the Hyashee Cleaner Kit is its portability. Weighing just 0.4 ounces and measuring under 4 inches in length, it fits easily into a pocket or bag, making it convenient for daily use or travel. Many users note that the kit takes up virtually no space, so it can be carried everywhere without hassle. This portability is especially valued by those who own multiple devices, as the kit is suitable for cleaning not only AirPods, but also wired earbuds, phone ports, and even camera components. Its broad utility makes it a practical addition to any tech enthusiast's toolkit. The cleaning process itself is described as both simple and oddly satisfying. Users liken the experience to giving their earbuds a makeover, with the satisfaction of removing visible and hidden debris that accumulates over time. The kit is effective for routine maintenance, keeping devices looking and sounding like new. Several reviewers highlight the improvement in audio clarity after cleaning, noting that music sounds less muffled and voices are crisper, which they attribute to the removal of accumulated dirt from speaker grills. However, some users point out that while the Hyashee Cleaner Kit excels at regular cleaning and maintenance, it may not be as effective for deep cleaning the innermost parts of the AirPods case. The soft brush and flock sponge are ideal for surface areas and accessible crevices, but the deepest corners of the charging case may still retain some stubborn debris. For most users, this limitation is minor, as the kit still provides a significant improvement in cleanliness and device performance with minimal effort. The build quality of the Hyashee Cleaner Kit receives positive feedback, with users describing it as durable and well-constructed. The materials used for the brush, sponge, and metal tip are considered high quality, and the mechanism for switching between tools operates smoothly. The white color and sleek design are also mentioned as aesthetically pleasing, complementing the look of Apple devices and other modern electronics. In terms of value, the Hyashee Cleaner Kit is regarded as an affordable solution that delivers on its promises. Many reviewers note that for the price, the kit offers excellent utility and durability, often stating that it is a buy once, use forever kind of tool. The kit's effectiveness in maintaining the cleanliness and functionality of expensive devices like AirPods is seen as a worthwhile investment, especially considering the potential for improved audio performance and extended device lifespan. The kit's versatility is another key selling point. While it is marketed primarily for AirPods, users report successful cleaning of a wide range of devices, including other wireless earbuds, wired headphones, phone charging ports, and camera lenses. This adaptability makes the Hyashee Cleaner Kit a valuable addition to any tech user's cleaning arsenal, reducing the need for multiple specialized tools. Despite its many strengths, the Hyashee Cleaner Kit is not without its minor drawbacks. As mentioned, it may not reach the deepest recesses of some cases, and a few users express a desire for additional attachments or cleaning solutions to enhance its capabilities. However, these criticisms are generally outweighed by the kit's overall effectiveness, ease of use, and portability. User satisfaction is reflected in the product's high ratings, with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars from nearly 10,000 reviews. The kit ranks highly in its category, indicating widespread approval and consistent performance. Many users express gratitude for discovering a tool that addresses a common but often overlooked issue: the buildup of dirt and debris in personal audio devices. The Hyashee Cleaner Kit is credited with making the cleaning process quick, easy, and even enjoyable, encouraging regular maintenance that preserves the quality and longevity of expensive tech gadgets. In summary, the Hyashee Cleaner Kit for AirPods Pro 1, 2, and 3 is a highly effective, portable, and versatile cleaning solution that receives strong praise from users for its design, performance, and value. Its 3-in-1 functionality, compact size, and ease of use make it an essential tool for anyone who owns wireless earbuds or similar devices. While it may not provide a deep clean for the most inaccessible areas, it excels at routine maintenance and delivers noticeable improvements in both appearance and sound quality. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users across the internet underscores its status as a must-have accessory for maintaining the cleanliness and performance of modern audio devices. If you have experience with the Hyashee Cleaner Kit, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel.